So this is second video. I just want to discuss about my college and those things. College is not about coding or learning anything, bro. It's just about assignments, observations, and records. Like they will tell you to write assignment. There will be five assignments for a sem, and all those assignments are just useless, bro. Literally, they are useless. They 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 dump all these useless things on us and say that write this, copy that, submit in Google Classroom, all this useless stuff. And again, then comes the observation. This is the worst thing I know, bro. Like, you have to write all the things in the observation in lab, and then you have to copy all that in record. Why? Who the fuck does this, bro? Tell me. In any part of the world, does anybody do this? Basically, I am just an average student, and when I compare myself with my classmates, and one day I realized that you should not compare with people who are better than you. Yes, and it's true, bro. I And I'm not gonna say things like compare with yourself, be better than yesterday. I'm not here to motivate. I'm just saying. And the main thing is, I went to a hackathon a few days back, and this was my first hackathon, and it was really bad, bro. Like, I went, I didn't want to go to hackathon that day. I went to college. I was in class, and suddenly my friend said that, bro, there is a hackathon going on. Do you want to come? It's free to join, like that he said. And we went. And to be honest, people there were like, they were god level coders. While seeing them, I thought that I'm not getting job, definitely I know that. But so I will tell you about that. The hackathon is about it's called some organization. I don't remember the name. I don't even want to say about that name. And they are trying to create a chat LLM, I mean that AI, in which it's just like ChatGPT, but some traditional kind of things. Not traditional. How do I say about it? It's like, bro, it knows more about our cultures, traditions, etc. ChatGPT don't know about all these things like traditions, our cultures, or anything like that. But they are trying to create an AI in which these all things will be there. So basically, they asked us to create a website in which we have to give data. Like, we have to create a website in which people will enter the data, and the data will be stored in their API. Are you shocked? Yes, I was same. I don't even know what the fuck API means. Suddenly that bro said in the seminar, like, you have to use this API, and I was like, what the fuck, bro? What is that? I don't even know about that API. I don't even know JavaScript also. That time I just completed HTML and CSS. It was really bad. And I couldn't even use ChatGPT for that, bro. Like, I use ChatGPT's daily. There will be a limit to ChatGPT, right? We can use this much on one day. Yes, and I've used ChatGPT and clouds on it. I think clouds on it, and other was lovable something that AI and Gemini. All I've used all these, and still we couldn't create a project. And those people gave us time till Sunday, and this was on Friday, and we got time till Sunday, and we did something. I don't know what we did, but we did something, and we submitted in GitHub, not GitHub, GitLab. And I don't know whether we will get certificates or not, because it was a very worst project. Not worst, but it was first time. We should just leave it, bro. And let's come back to our documentation series. Like, till the last video I posted was, I think, 8 days or 9 days back, and I don't know what happened to me. I didn't even post any reel or any video. I was just learning things, and I was not in the mood of creating videos, so I didn't create for a week. I took rest, and from now from now I promise that every week you will get a video. And A reel will be, I think, twice a week. The main drawback of me is that I am not consistent, bro. I will just think I will do it today, I will do it, I will do it for the week, I will do videos, I will do reels, everything like that. And the next day itself, I will think that I will watch a movie today, I will watch this, that. Yes, I should stop doing that. I don't know how, but I will try. You might thought that what the fuck is this caption or name of this video? This is very silly reason for giving the name of the video like this. I just watched a movie called Perks of Being a Wallflower, something like that. So I thought it would be good to keep it like Perks of Being a Student. So yeah, that's it. Sorry, I think that's it for today. And I forgot to say one thing, that I'm going to create a project, not a very big project. I'm doing it solo, so it will not be that a big project. I will try to do a bit different or something, like I don't know what I will do. I have not yet decided what to do. And again, I am not going to use any chat GPT or anything like that. I'm just going to use it for the idea, and I will code myself a small project, not a big project. Okay, I've did some projects like to-do list or to-do list I have done, and something I have done other from my college. I don't remember what it is. That's it for today. If you like the content, just subscribe and stay tuned for the next video.